Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The wife is saying we might have bees or wasps or hornets or yellow jacket nest over here. It looks like just mud to me, but she is definitely more knowledgeable. We also have two little ones up here that look a little suspicious. Let's do some research and see how we get rid of them. It looks like we have these Mud Daubers, and everything I've seen from this website says to use a paint scraper, soap and water. They're generally harmless and non-aggressive. This website did say to maybe avoid a power washer on the stucco so you don't damage anything. Reddit also saying the same thing, remove with putty knife. That one looks kind of exactly like the one we have, with hose, scrape, and yeah, they are seemingly harmless. Might help reduce spider population. Let's go break them off. We got our paint scraper. Let's try to get it off in one piece. Oh, geez. Let's put it back into the mud pile it originally came in. There you go. Let's get the two up top. This one's not coming off in one piece. We'll try the putty knife. That's really clean. This one, not so much. I also got a little soap and water. Let's try that. Okay, video number 175 done.